how to fix Roblox assets not loading. So the very first thing you want to do is to change the compatibility settings of the Roblox. For that, you need to right click on the Roblox app and then select properties. Now head over to compatibility. Then check disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and then click on OK. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your file manager and then head over to temp. Here what you want to do is clear the cache of this application Roblox. You have to do the right click and then tap on delete. Once it has been deleted, the cache of the application Roblox will also be cleared. Now the next thing you want to do is to clear the data and the cache from the web browser. So head over to the browser that you usually use, the Roblox site, and then click on this three dot at the top right. Head over to settings, move into privacy and security, and then head over to third-party cookies. Here click on see all sites and performance. Here in the source bar, search for Roblox. So beside the site Roblox, you will find the delete icon. Tap on delete. Once you tap on delete, the storage and the cache will also be cleared in the browser. Clearing the cache will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Roblox assets not loading. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.